Alright, so what are we actually looking at here? I have rigged up a ESP32 microcontroller to a Max 485 board so I can talk Modbus RTU to this VFD. To power the thing, since I'm here in America, I don't have easy access to a dryer outlet, so I have this step-up transformer going from 120 to 240, and out of it we're getting like 235 or something along those lines. I just did this as a easy disconnect. So what we have is, if we go to the IP address listed here, which is 0.106, pull it up and it shows it to you. 168.0.106. We get this a web page. So if I click on one of these things, as you can see, the motor starts running forward. So we're running about 60 hertz. The web page itself says running forward, as does the microcontroller. So now, if I go back, the option is stop it, stopping, stop. Still says 60 hertz because that was the last commanded frequency, but I've taken away the run command. As you can see, the motor is no longer spinning. Why is this useful? Well, it might not be. It just depends. This is obviously just a proof of concept version, but controlling the VFD could be useful for many things. Like if you have an encoder on it, for example, you can use it as a poor man's servo. These motors have quite a bit of torque to them, so I have a couple projects in mind, but let's look at the code.